Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to swap out Matilda's windshield because, like an idiot, I went and screwed the windshield up. Let's go and see what I did. Okay, so here's how not to be an idiot 101. A couple of years ago, when I was working on a Corvette and cleaning the windshield, it was solid glass, so I used a little bit of this stuff. It's really soft metal wool, this kind, steel wool, and I used it to scrape crud out of the windshield, and it worked fine with the Corvette because that was a solid windshield. Now the Humvee windshields are different. You have glass on one side and you have acrylic pasted to that glass really tight on the other side. So guess what this idiot went and did? He polished the outside, which was fine. Then he goes on the inside and does the same thing, and look what happened. Yeah, I don't know if you can see this, but I got a whole bunch of swirls all over the inside of the acrylic. So this inside part is acrylic, really stuck fast to the glass windshield. And here's some overspray, green overspray, when I was, painting the roof. I didn't give a shit because at that point I'd already scratched it and I was planning on swapping it out. So, I don't care about the overspray. But this is what you should never do. Never take steel wool and do that. I'm such an idiot. Anyway, let's swap this out. Now there are a bunch of videos online showing how to swap these windshields out. It's not rocket science, but since I love recording myself doing crazy shit, I thought I would, make a video on it. Okay, so I am trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. Do subscribe. If you're watching and not subscribing, it doesn't really help me much. I do need a head count. So yeah, share, subscribe, like, comment, interact. I really love doing that. Let's do this. So removing a Humvee windshield is really simple. They designed it so that soldiers in the field can swap the windshield out in like 20 minutes if they need to, both of them. You have three pieces, three brackets holding it in place. You have a center bracket that's held on by 4 bolts. You have 2 side brackets, 1 and 2, which are held on by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts each. And each of these are 5/16. So here's my trusty 5/16 bit. So let's do this. Now I know I said 5/16, but what you really want to use is an 8mm wrench. This is much more of a snug fit and there's no jiggle to it like with the 5/16. So what I'm doing here is loosening the bolt a little bit before I put the impact gun on it to open it. These are what the 8mm screws look like. They are tapered at the ends. And you can use a 5/16 as well, like I said earlier, but an 8mm wrench or an 8mm bit is, more suitable. There are 6 on this side, 6 on that side, and 4 for the center panel. Right, So these three pieces are out. Be careful not to bend them. They are not very thick. See? If you bend them, it'll look terrible when you put it back in. I think I'm going to paint them before putting them back in. Anyways, so the windshield is now loose. If you push it in from the inside, it'll flip forward. It'll really help if you get one of these suction glass pullers. It's really simple to use. Push it onto the glass. That's it. Suction. You can lift. Once you're done, that's it. Comes out. It feels so good to have a new windshield. Now at least I can see from the inside out. Ooh, crystal clear. Wonderful. So that's what it looks like with a brand new windshield. And I am really happy. It went off without a hitch. Hitch meaning breaking the glass, right? Or scratching or cracking it or losing the gaskets or something. The only thing that went wrong is I'm missing one bolt, one little screw. You can see this one right here. I will search for the right one and put it in later on. But yeah, that's how a windshield looks. I'm pretty happy. Nice and clean. All right, guys. Later.